damp inside of the house. It's right on the seafront, seas there, so we get lots of wind and rain. It's been vented in past originally. Customer had a damp water penetration issues on the inside of the wall facing south, right the seafront. I'm just doing a voiceover because my voice on the original video is muffled with other noises. So they had problem with damping this. Had the company come out, give him estimate to remove all the plaster inside and to do tanking on inside to stop water or damp penetration. Called me and I discovered that in past the patio slabs have been running all the way into the wall, and someone cut the slabs back 6 inches and put some shingle there, rubble, but they didn't do the thorough job because the render was passing damp proof course, which is supposed to stop rising damp. So the render was bridging damp proof course, and they didn't remove the backing concrete that is underneath the shingle. So it's almost forming like a little moat. So when it rains heavily, water will rise up there, will not penetrate into the ground below. So one of the ways is to break that concrete, which I just did, and then you scrape off concrete at least one brick, or ideally 2 bricks deep down. Need to break the concrete. Need to break the render from damp-proof course, so it does not breach it. Open up a few bricks at a time, hole inside of the to get into the cavity, and you can see all this sand and debris was inside of the cavity, and that was breaching the damp-proof course on both skins, inner and outer skin. I cleared out now a good brick and a half below the damp-proof course. You have to do that all the way along the wall, making sure that there are no obstructions between. Obviously, you have to leave the sections of the brick still standing whilst you're doing a series of holes in between. You'll see that in further video. And once it's all cleared up, you can replace damp-proof course in sections where you opened up if you got it damaged, and just brick it back up. Please have a look at the rest of the video. I think the sound is a bit better later on, and on one of the last videos you will see after a couple of days of drying out a distinctive color difference between bricks below damp-proof course and bricks above damp-proof course, which shows that, oh yeah, this is a good example. Someone set the vent brick in but didn't clear the cavity. They set the vent brick in, a whole brick above damp-proof course, and the cavity is chock-a-block there with rubble and everything. So bad workmanship in past. So anyway, you will see on the last section of the video that is distinctive color difference, and that's good sign. That's sign that obviously ground is damp and bricks are drawing the dampness and moisture up, but it can't pass damp-proof course. So damp-proof course works well. And cavity is clear, because if cavity is not clear, then debris within the cavity will breach damp-proof course and allow moisture to transfer up high. You can see the holes have been staggered, all bricked up, and there you go. You can see the distinctive difference in color on the bricks below the damp-proof course and above damp-proof course. Below it, they're much darker. And this shows all the debris that we pulled out from 2-meter wall. Thank you. And this is a little summary on the end. To complete the job,
we would need to finish or repair the render on outside, and then on inside you have to remove all contaminated plaster up to bare brick, because what happens during water penetration, water ingress, all the salts, mineral salts that are within the brickwork, they transition out to the surface when the water is trying to escape, and them salts contaminate the surface of the plaster. Then even after you solve the problem of water ingress, the surface of plaster is highly contaminated with hygroscopic salts that will draw the moisture from the air. And to avoid that, the only way to avoid that is to mechanically remove contaminated plaster and replace it with new plaster. So you'll have to break it down to the bare brick, and then apply render, cement-based render with washed sand. You must use washed sand, otherwise you will reintroduce salts back in, and then finish it with regular plaster, finishing plaster. Leave it a few days to dry out, a week or two, and then decorate. I will make a little update on that as when we come to that stage. Thank you for watching. If you like it, subscribe, thumbs up. If not, put your comments if I'm doing anything wrong. If you think I'm doing anything wrong, please comment. Thank you.